Kumusta kayo mga kids? Tayo ngayon ay week 4 na. Ang title natin ngayon, Solving Percent Problems. Medyo mahirap ang ating topic ngayon, kaya tutok lamang tayo para sa bagong ating aralin ngayon. In this lesson, you will apply what you have learned in finding the percentage, rate, and base. At the end of this lesson, you will understand how to solve problems involving percent, problems like problem involving discount, original price, rate of discount, sale price, mark price, commission, sales tax, and simple interest. The following terms are used in dealing discount problems. Read and analyze these terms. This will help you as you go along in this lesson. Discount. Discount is a decrease in the price of an item. It refers to the amount to be deducted from the original price. When you say original price, it is the regular price charged of the item. Discount rate is the percent taken off from original price. Sales price is the net price or discounted price. It is the price of the item after the discount has been deducted. Discount and sale price both represent percentage. Original price represents the base and discount rate represents the rate. Discount rate and sale price both represent percentage. Example 1. Solving for discount and sales price. A dress was sold for 500 pesos at a 16% discount. How much is the discount or how much can be saved? How much is the selling price? For solution, discount rate equals 16%. Original price, this is 500 pesos. So, discount and selling price, ito yung ating hinahanap. Using the discount formula, you have discount equals discount rate times original price, or D equals DR times OP. Discount equals 16%, ito yung discount rate, times 500 pesos. Ito naman yung original price. Yung 16%, i-change mo sa decimal number, and that is 0.16 times 500 pesos equals 80 pesos. Ito yung ating na-discount. Using the sales price formula, you have sales price equals original price minus discount, or SP equals OP minus D. SP equals 500 pesos, ito yung original price, minus 80 pesos, ito naman yung discount, equals 420 pesos. Therefore, the discount is 80 pesos and the sales price is 420 pesos. Original price represents the base. Example 2. Solving for original price. A wristwatch was sold for 2,500 with a 20% discount. What was the original price of the wristwatch? Solution. Discount rate equals 20%. Sale price equals 2,500 pesos. At hinahanap natin ang original price. Using the other formula for sale price, you have sale price equals original price times the difference of 100% minus discount rate, or SP equals OP times 100 minus DR. Substitution. 2,500, that is SP, equals OP, ito yung hinahanap natin, times 100% minus 20% na discount rate. 2,500 equals OP times, isubtract na natin, 80%. Then change 80% to decimal. 2,500 equals OP times 80 hundreds or 0.80. Then exchange and divide both sides by 80 hundreds or 0.80. OP times 80 hundreds equals 2,500. Pinag-exchange natin. Then i-divide natin ito sa parehong 80 hundreds. Then, ang original price ay 3,125 pesos. In some instances, the seller add a particular amount on the items or goods to be sold for the profit. From the original price, the amount added is the marked price, and the new amount is called the selling price. Markup and selling price represent both the percentage. Cost represent the base, and the markup rate represent the rate. Here are the following terms that you can help you to understand this particular topic. Markup, M, is the increase in the price of an item. Markup rate, or MR, is the percent to be added to the cost of item. And cost, or C, is the original amount of the item. Example 3. Solving for markup price. To have the profit, the businesswoman adds a markup price of 4 pesos and 50 centavos on all the plastic products that bought in Divisoria. What is the markup rate of the plastic bottle if the cost is 50 pesos? What will be the markup or selling price? Markup equals 4 pesos and 50 centavos. Cost, 50 pesos. Markup rate and selling price, ito yung hahanapin natin. Using the other formula for markup price, you have markup rate equals markup divided by cost times 100%. Or MR equals M divided by C times 100%. Substitute the given. M equals 4 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 50 times 100. Divide, then multiply by 100. 4 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 50 equals 0.09 times 100, MR equals 9%. The markup rate is 9%. Using the other formula for sale price, you have sale price equals cost plus markup, or SP equals C plus M. SP equals C plus M, substitute. C equals 50 pesos plus M, which is 4 pesos and 50 centavos. Then let us add. The answer is 54 pesos and 50 centavos. The selling price is 54 pesos and 50 centavos. When someone sells your product, you need to him give some amount of money for his effort or certain percentage for the sales. The percent or amount that he or she will receive is called commission. The commission and sale proceeds both represent percentage. Total sales represents the base and the commission rate represents the rate. Study the following terms below. This will help you to understand this lesson. Commission, or letter C, is an amount of money a person receives for selling something. Total sales, or TS, is the total amount of sales made by the salesperson. Commission rate, or CR, is the percent taken off from the selling price. Sales proceeds, or SP, is the amount that remains after the deduction of the commission. Example 4 for solving for commission. Mr. Lasso, a car agent, receives an 8% commission on the car he sells. What is his commission if he sold a car at 1,550,000 pesos? How much will be the sale proceeds? Total sale equals 1,550,000 pesos. Commission rate equals 8%. Commission and sale proceeds are missing. Using the commission formula, you have commission equals total sale times commission rate, or C equals TS times CR. Substitute the given. TS equals 1,550,000 pesos times CR, or 8%. Change 8% to decimal. And that is 0.08 times 1,550,000 pesos equals commission equals 124,000 pesos. Mr. Lasso's commission is 124,000 pesos. Using the sale proceeds formula, you have sale proceeds equals total sale minus commission. Substitution. TS equals 1,550,000 pesos minus C equals 124,000 pesos. Then let us subtract. SP, or sale proceeds, equals 1,426,000 pesos. The sale proceeds is 1,426,000 pesos. Example 5. Mr. Lasso was given a commission of 120,000 pesos of 6% commission rate for selling a house and lot. How much is the total sales of the house and lot that he sold? Para sa solution, hinahanap natin ang total sales. Commission equals 120,000 pesos and commission rate that is equal to 6%. To solve the problem, ito ang ating formula. Total sale equals commission divided by commission rate, or TS equals C divided by CR. Substitution, C equals 120,000 pesos divided by CR, which is 6%. Change 6% to decimal, and that is 0.06 or 600. I-divide natin ito sa 120,000 pesos, and that is 2 million pesos. So the total sale is 2 million pesos. Sales tax. Ano nga ba ang sales tax? When you buy some products in the fast food, supermarkets, and other store, you will notice on your receipt that there is value-added tax, or VAT, or sales tax. Example, in the restaurant, the family ordered a foods that has a total amount of 856 pesos plus 12% sales tax. How much is the sales tax? How much is the total amount paid to the cashier? So we are looking for sales tax and total amount paid. Given facts, total amount of products 856 pesos and rate of sales tax 12%. Formula natin gagamitin to get the sales tax. Sales tax equals total amount of products times rate of sales tax, or ST equals TP times RST. TP, that is 856 pesos, times RST, which is 12%. I-change natin ang 12% sa decimal, and that is 0.12. I-multiply sa 856 pesos, and that is 102 pesos and 72 centavos. And that is sales tax. Para naman makuha ang total amount paid, total amount equals 856 pesos plus sales tax. So 856 pesos plus yung sales tax na 102 pesos and 72 centavos, then the answer is 958 pesos and 72 centavos. And that is total amount paid to the cashier. Simple interest. Do you wonder why your mother or father save money in the bank? When your mother or father deposit their money in a savings bank, the bank will pay them a small amount for using their money. This amount is called interest. Interest, or letter I, is an amount of money earned for using another's money over a period of time. Principal, or letter P, is the amount of money deposited, invested, or borrowed. Rate interest, or R, is the percent added to the principal amount borrowed or invested. Time, or letter T, is the length of time which money has been deposited or borrowed. it always computed in terms of year. Amount due, or AD, is the total amount to be paid or received after a certain period of time that the principal has been borrowed or deposited. Example 6 for solving for simple interest. Mr. Lasso opens a savings account in commercial bank where the money earns 1.5% interest per year. If he has 9,500 pesos in his savings account, how much interest will his money earn in a year? For solution, inahanap natin ang interest. Principal, that is 9,500 pesos. Rate of interest, 1.5%. Time, 1 year. Using the interest formula, you have interest equals principal times rate of interest times time. Or I equals P times R times T. P equals 9,500 pesos times R, that is 1.5%, times T, and that is 1. So, yung 1.5%, gawin natin in decimal, and that is 0.015. Then, let us multiply 9,500 times 0.015 times 1, and that is 142 pesos and 50 centavos, and that is the interest. Example 7, solving for principal. Deo Ligario borrowed money from the lending company at 6% interest. If he paid an interest of 450 pesos after 19 months, how much money did he borrow? So, hinahanap natin ang principal. Given facts, interest 450 pesos, rate of interest 6%, time 19 months or 1.7. Using the interest formula, you have principal equals interest divided by rate of interest times time. Or P equals I divided by R times T. Substitute the given. I, that is 450 pesos. R, 6%. T, 1.7. Change 6% to decimal, and that is 0.06. I-multiply natin sa 1.7, and that is 0.102. So, let us divide 450 pesos divided by 0.102. And that is 4,411 pesos and 76 centavos. Deo borrowed 4,411 pesos and 76 centavos. For learning task number 1, ating sagutan, complete the following table. Number 1, discount rate 20%, original price 950 pesos. Hinahanap natin ng discount at sale price. Using the discount formula, discount equals discount rate times original price, or D equals DR times OP. DR equals 950 pesos times OP 20%. Change natin ng 20% sa decimal, and that is 0.20. I-multiply sa 950 pesos, and that is 190 pesos. Yan yung discount. Then, using the sale price formula, sale price equals original price minus discount, or SP equals OP minus D. OP, 950 pesos, minus D, 190 pesos, equals 760 pesos. Sale price equals 760 pesos. This time, number 4. Hinahanap naman natin dito ang markup price and selling price. Using the other formula for markup price, you have markup equals original price times markup rate, or M equals OP times MR. OP, that is 950 pesos, times MR, 20%. Change natin ng 20% sa decimal, and that is 0.20. I-multiply sa 950 pesos, and that is 190 pesos. That is markup price. Using the other formula for sale price, you have selling price equals original price plus markup price, or SP equals OP plus MR. OP, 950 pesos, plus MR, 190 pesos. Selling price equals 1,140 pesos. For number 7, total sales 15,000 pesos, rate of commission 5%. Magkano kaya ang commission? Formula, commission equals total sales times rate of commission, or C equals TS times CR. TS, 15,000 pesos times 5%. Then change 5% to decimal, and that is 0.05. I-multiply sa 15,000 pesos, and that is 750 pesos. Commission, 750 pesos. For number 9, principal amount 25,000 pesos, rate 5.5%, time 3.5 years, and hanapin natin magkano ang simple interest. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time, or I equals P times R times T. P equals 25,000 pesos, R 5.5%, and T 3.5. 25,000 pesos times, i-change natin ang 5.5% sa decimal, and that is 0.055 times 3.5 equals 4,812 pesos and 50 centavos. Magkano ang interest? 4,812 pesos and 50 centavos. For number 10, principal amount 4,200 pesos. Hinahanap natin ang rate or ilang percent. Time 4 years, na may simple interest na 252 pesos. Using the interest formula, rate equals simple interest divided by principal amount times time, or R equals I divided by P times T. I equals 252 pesos, P 4,200 pesos, and T 4. Pag i-multiply ang 4,200 pesos times 4, yun ay 6,800. 252 divided by 6,800 equals 0.015. Kapag i-change natin ito sa percent, that is 1.5%. Kaya ang rate ay 1.5%. For learning task 2, read the following problems then solve. Number 1, a red dress priced 550 pesos is marked 15% off. How much will be the discount? Discount 15%, original price 550 pesos. Hinahanap natin magkano ang discount. Using the discount formula, discount equals discount rate times original price, or D equals DR times OP. DR is 550 pesos times OP 15%. I-change ang 15% sa decimal number, and that is 0.15. I-multiply sa 550 pesos, and that is 82 pesos and 50 centavos. Yan ang discount. For number 2, Mr. Edwin Lasso paid 13,599 pesos and 15 centavos for a television set that originally cost 15,999 pesos. What is the rate of discount? Given original price 15,999 pesos, selling price 13,599 pesos, at ating hinahanap muna ang discount bago natin makuha ang discount rate. Using the discount formula, discount equals original price minus selling price, or D equals OP minus SP. OP equals 15,999 pesos. SP 13,599 pesos. Pag isinubtract, discount equals 2,400 pesos. Using the sale price formula, discount rate equals discount divided by original price, or DR equals D divided by OP. Discount equals 2,400 pesos divided by OP na 15,999 pesos. And the answer is 0.15 or 15%. Discount rate is 15%. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Alam kong marami kayong natutunan sa bidyong ito. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!